Hey YouTube, Lone Wolf Customs here. Watched a video from Half-Ass Garage, which if you ain't subscribed to him, go subscribe to him. He showed a tool that he made a while back. He didn't show how to make it, but it's pretty simple. It's a body slap hammer. You know, it's got a handle and then it bends down and it has a little flat area and you smack the metal with a dolly behind it. And, you know, can tweak your metal and stuff. And he said he built it out of a leaf spring. Well, I got this old leaf spring laying here. I kind of want one of those things, so figured I'd give it a shot at doing it. So, you know, roughly, let me grab a marker here. Oh. Gotta put you down. Oh, there you went. Okay. There. Alright. So roughly, the way I figure, where that's thicker, I'll make that more or less the handle. So however long I end up making the handle. Right? With a kind of a kick in it. Then basically just round off, mount round roughly, and then probably right about here do the same. More or less something like that. Kind of the direction I'm looking at. I guess I'll get back to you here in a sec. Alright, I got that piece cut off of the other. And I started doing this. It's just some hard, thick shit, so definitely have some extra cutoff wheels if you're doing it with a cutoff wheeler. Guess I'll clean it up some more and be back to you in a sec. Alright, I got it cut out. It took a while, took a couple discs too, but that's some thick shit right there. See, it tapers off and thinner because it's a leaf spring. And spring steel, that's pretty hard shit, you know. So now I'm gonna do some rounding, a little cleanup here and there, but then I'll get back to you with the next step. Alright, I'm gonna use the oxyacetylene torch or propane set oxygen torch to heat this up, which I'm gonna move it in the vise here. And I'm going to put a little S in it where it bends up and then bends back, and there'll be my handle. Alright, back here in a sec. Alright, a little bit of heat and bend. One thing he said, make sure you had enough up here so you don't, when you're holding it and smacking, you don't whack your fingers against it. A little bit of a roll, which is good. Now I just got to let it cool off and then take and clean it up a little bit with a flap disc so it ain't so rough and jagged edged, and I'll show you the final result. There it is, folks. Nice little simple unit. Rounded the edges. Wait, focus. Focused. Okay. Rounded the edges. Mainly rounded them down here. So when I'm slapping, it doesn't dig in. Cleaned the rust off. It's a little pitted, but you know, it's a leaf spring. The handle's a little warm still, but let's see if I can find something I can whack on and show you what it looks like. Well, here's a Honda. Why not? So basically, you take this, you have your dolly, you put it on the inside, you know, back in here. And then you take this, you whack on it, and it'll make the dent go away. old-timey style tool, but useful when you're doing that kind of stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If I get enough thumbs up and stuff on this, I might do some more building little tools and shit. Alright, bye.